Hey, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to buy the Aster token from AsterDEX. It's super simple. We're going to connect your MetaMask wallet and use Ethereum to make the swap step by step. Okay, so let's start. I went to AsterDEX.com. So that's Aster as in the token name and DEX, DEX for decentralizedexchange.com. I wouldn't click on any random link like on Twitter. I would just type it in the browser. It's safer. And now I want to go to spot. So this is the decentralized exchange interface. It looks pretty cool. And this is the Aster USDT trading pair. And if I want to look at all the other trading pairs, notice that pretty much everything uses USDT except for those two. But if you want to buy Aster, it's USDT. And if you want to buy Bitcoin, it's USDT. Same thing for Ethereum. And well, there's also the USDC, USDT trading pair, but that's going to be an extra step. So I think the best thing to do is to deposit either Ethereum or USDT. In my case, I don't have any USDT, so I'll use Ethereum. So I'm going to select Ethereum in the chain or in the networks. I'm going to click Connect Wallet, select MetaMask. It's one of the hot wallets I'm using. So accept the connection. And then send a request to authorize it. So confirm. And now I'm going to deposit. Make sure you're using the spot account. So Ethereum, that's fine. And Ethereum, yes. Okay, so the amount is going to be 0.31 deposit. So request from AsterDEX.com. Network fee is 17 cents. The speed is 12 seconds. That's fine. So I'm confirming it. This will take a couple of seconds. All right, so the transaction was completed successfully. And I should be able to see the balance. It doesn't show yet. I have the USDC balance, but I want to wait for the Ethereum balance to show up. So I'm just going to pause it and come back when it's ready. Okay, so I see the Ethereum deposit here in the bottom in the order section under assets. So now I just have to swap Ethereum to USDT. So I'm going to select Ethereum USDT because I can't buy the Aster coin directly with Ethereum. So now what I have to do is I have to sell my Ethereum. I'm going to slide the button all the way to the max. And that's supposed to give me about $133. So I'm going to click sell. The order was submitted. It was successful. And as you can see in the bottom, my Ether became USDT. So now I can use the USDT to buy Aster. So I'm going to switch the trading pair. And I'm always under spot, right? So I'm not under perpetual. It's spot because we want to buy the coin. We're not trading or leveraging or doing any of those fancy trading techniques. We're just buying. So now I'm going to click on the buy button and it's telling me I have this much available funds in USDT. So I'm going to slide it all the way. And it looks like it gets me around 81 point something Aster coins. I'm going to click buy. So the order was submitted and it was successful. Now I see the Aster coins in the bottom. So it's time to withdraw them. I'm just going to move the camera. So I'm going to click withdraw, spot account. Aster is under the BNB chain, so I'm going to select BNB chain. And it's showing me the Aster coin here. I'm going to select max because I want to withdraw everything. Click withdraw. And it's going to send it to my MetaMask wallet using the Binance Smart Chain. So I'm good with that. Transaction confirmed. Please wait 1-2 minutes for account info to be updated. So let's see. Okay, so the Aster coins are finally appearing. Now I want to transfer them to my cold wallet. So I'm going to click on top under accounts, click add account, select hardware wallet, click on Ledger because that's what I'm using right now. And let me show you how the Ledger looks like. So here it says plug your Ledger and then open the Ethereum app. So the Ethereum app is ready. I'm going to select the Nano S, click connect. And in my case, I know it's the first account. Usually it's the first account. Unlock. And I already have some coins in it. I have 61 Aster coins. So now I want to transfer the ones in my Ethereum account, but that's also supporting the Binance Smart Chain. So I'm going to click on send. So from the Ethereum account to the Ledger, and the coin I want to send is Aster. So I'm going to select Aster here, click max, and then confirm the two information. So it's sending it to the Ledger and Aster. So continue. And everything looks good. So confirm. Yeah, the transaction was completed successfully. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them.